Oh, hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl Norleen, and today I have a special video for you. Today we will be reviewing a Juici patties.
Now people, we're going to share reviews on all the patties except the shrimp and the mega patty.
Of course, as you can see, this lovely young lady sitting beside me.
Hi everyone, my name is Danielle and I am the daughter of the host.
Oh, now you all know that patty is a Jamaican thing. So of course, remember, please drop a like on the video. Remember to leave your comment. Tell me your favorite Jamaican patty. Or please remember, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification, guys, so that as soon as we upload an awesome video, you will be notified. Share the link with your friends and invite them to subscribe. I encourage you to stay with me to the end because this one promises to be very good. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump right into the tasting of the patties, guys. And of course, I gonna start where it is safe, right? And this is a veggie loaf, I think it is. Oh, it look like
That's the veggie loaf.
yeah, it is the veggie loaf. So guys, this is what the veggie loaf looks like. Alright, see that, guys? And it's all vegetable. Yeah, and it is encased in a soft dough like a loaf. So I'm gonna dig in on this one. A very soft dough, soft texture. I'll leave this one alone because we have a whole lot of patty we have to go through today. Alright, Danielle, where you wanna go?
The next one, I don't remember which one.
I think that's
this
the
is.
chicken. That's a chicken cheese patty. Alright. Alright, turn it around and let me see what's going on in there. Alright, so that, ooh, yeah, and they say this is the craze for the summer, the chicken cheese patty. So let's go in with this one.
Right, so I'm trying the chicken with cheese. It's my first time ever trying this because they usually say don't mix curry and cheese. So
Interesting. I love this. This is nice and creamy. You get that curry taste first and then you get that soft, mild cheese taste.
let me give it another.
And I think you need to give it another go. It's good. I think it worked the craze that they're talking about. On this thing. And I'm going to cut into this one.
That one is the soy patty for all
Ah.
our vegans.
So our vegan people, yeah, healthy eaters, this one is definitely for you. So I'm gonna go in with the soy patty. Not bad. Good vegan. Real
What
good.
I'm
Going into now.
Okay, beef patty with callaloo,
No one try that.
and can't forget to hear the
The crunch. Yeah.
so
All right.
give us a look see.
Daniel, go on. Yours this one. Away with it.
I feel like it could use a little bit more. It's missing
A bit
something.
bland for sure. The callaloo is not as seasoned as it should be.
Yeah, so
I want a
it's-
little bit more flavor. Let me see what's in this one.
I think this one is the mega patty, veggie patty with cheese.
Yes, okay.
Veggie
Patty with cheese.
So,
But this look like it's callaloo in it.
I don't like this.
Where you wanna go?
I'm breaking it again.
You gotta hear the crunch, man.
The crunch. Y'all can't deny that this is like real patty. Like, oh, we're looking at a classic
Right?
beef patty.
Hey, well, me now wait for you. Come with camera. I hear crunch.
Never misses, always hit.
Yeah.
9 out of 10.
Classic beef patty taste. Alright, let's see that one. It look fat. I'm not sure why it look fat. Come in for this.
Come in.
This look like the beef with cheese.
This
Yes.
is my favorite.
Ooh. I'm gonna start eating it, people. Ooh. So flaky, So nice, so juicy, so creamy, so cheesy. Now put on this. Come have one last patty to go.
20 out of 10. And last but not least, another classic, chicken patty. Just take a look at that tier.
Oh.
And then we're gonna just take a look, that filling.
The nice curry flavor. You know, have wash up curry. Made about real curry flavor chicken. So there you have it, guys. It's our take on Jamaica Juici patties. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I say thank you to my co-host today, Daniel,
With the dirty hands.
with the dirty hands here. And remember, please subscribe before you go. Like our video, guys. Leave your comment. Tell me your favorite Jamaican patty and what you like to pair your patty with, whether it be bone, cocoa bread, whatever.
White bread,
hardo bread. Just drop it in the comment and let us know.
It was nice of you to stay with us, and I'm gonna go and finish this cheese patty.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
So we'll see you next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you guys, and we'll see you next week.